Family life is full of rewards and also challenges. It is always busy with lots to do. It's like a journey. With every journey, there are always going to be bumps in the road and things we hadn't planned for. But we find a way to manage them. But sometimes bad things happen. It's no one's fault. And if things build up, we need help to deal with them. Often we are lucky to have family and friends there to help out. And we can carry on with our journey. But sometimes things really don't go to plan. It can happen to any family. That's why we are here to help. The Resilient Families Programme, delivering integrated family support and early intervention and prevention services in Rhondda Cynon Taf. This is a new service and a new way of working. There'll be one point of contact to help get the right services and support to come to you. It will be one person, one assessment, and one approach for the whole family. We will work with you to develop a plan that is right for you as a family. We know that there are often some members of the family that need that little bit more support, and some members that don't need as much. We will stand by you when the journey gets tough. We promise to work as hard as you to get you back on the road. Any family can find themselves in a bind, and we will do everything we can to help. The Resilient Families Programme, delivering integrated family support in Rhondda Cynon Taf. For more information, go to our website at rctcbc.gov.uk and search for the Resilient Families Service.